Good evening, everybody. My name is Penaflor from BSIS 4A, and I'm the one who discuss about creating data mining queries and reports and reporting tools. Query. In a batch prediction query, you map the model to an external source of data by using prediction join. In a single-tone prediction, create multiple prediction using a single-tone prediction query. As type of prediction queries. First is basic prediction query design, adding prediction functions, creating single-tone prediction queries, batch prediction queries, prediction in time series mining models, working with the result of a prediction query. Next topic is data mining extension DMX. It's a language that you can use to create and work with data mining models in Microsoft SQL Server's analysis services. You can use DMX to create the structure of a new data mining models, to train these models, to browse, manage, and predict against them. DMX is a composed of data definition language DDL statements, data manipulation language DML statements, and function and operation. And this is the example of prediction query. Types of data mining extension DMX. Microsoft Only DB for data mining specification. DMX statements, data definition statements, data manipulation statements, DMX query fundamentals. Report tools functionalities. We've determined the top reporting tool features and functionality to compare to your requirements. Our checklist outlines the best features that aid in the creation, delivery, and viewing of reports. Reporting functionalities are used to construct report based on a model result and are valid in both calc and data selection, combining report functions with interface function in a data section allows to export the report to text files, spreadsheet, database, or your own calling application. Types of reporting tools functionalities. Design. Pixel perfect formatting, data filtering, data sorting, data grouping, data blending. Next is elements. Static and dynamic image, barcodes, tables, chart and graphs, infographic, filters, widgets. Next is delivery, language settings, formatting, users' profiles, mobile reports access, report delivery, scheduling, access restriction, and security. Next is creation, drag and drop creation, field explorer, customization, templates, freehand SQL command, real-time updates, layout, DEMS. Next is viewing. Export to Microsoft Excel, export to Microsoft Workbook, export to PDF, export to HTML, report scheduling, embeddable reports, mobility, multiple users, access levels. Next is types. OLAP reports, sub-report, graph reports, metric reports, invoices, sales reports, employee reports, inventory reports.
Reporting services using SQL Server is a SQL Server subsystem that enables the creation of graphical, mobile, and printed reports using SQL Server and other data sources. SQL Server is a relational database management system, RDBMS, that supports transaction processing, business intelligence, and analytics applications.
How SQL Server reporting services work. SSRS consists of four main components: the Reporting Services Service, the Web Portal, the Report Designer, and the Report Builder. Reports are created using the Report Designer or the Report Builder. The Report Designer is one or more robust and complicated tool that is designed for a data professionals. It can be run from SSDT or as an add-on to Visual Studio 2019. The Report Builder is a more straightforward tool designed to able end users to create reports. These SSRS report creation tools generate report definition language or RDL files that control how the reports will look and act.
Analysis service using SQL Server. Analysis services is an analytical data engine used in decision support and business analytics. It provides enterprise-grade semantic data models for business reports and client applications, such as Power BI, Excel, reporting services, reports, and other data visualization tools.
SQL Server's analysis services workflow. A typical implementation workflow includes installing a SQL Server Analysis Services instance, creating a tabular or dimensional data model, deploying the models as a database to a server instance, processing the data to load it with data, and then assigning permissions to allow the data access. When ready to go, the data model can be accessed by any client application supporting analysis service as a data source. Documentation. Analysis services documentation is located in different areas in Microsoft Learn, depending on the platform or version you are using. All SQL Server Analysis Services documentation is accessible by using the table of contents to the left. To see only those articles relevant to a particular version, use the version selector above the DOC. Document you see in the DOC to the left is known as the Core Analysis Services documentation. Core documentation can apply to just one platform like SQL Server Analysis Services or to all analysis services platforms including Azure Analysis Services and Analysis Services in Power BI. This is because how you create and deploy a tabular model or manage certain server properties or databases is much the same regardless of platform.